Hello everyone. Welcome to our course Introduction to Web3. I am Anjali and I'll be your guide for this course. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about the basics of the Ethereum blockchain. So let's have a look at the key features of Ethereum blockchain. We know that Ethereum supports cryptocurrency, that is a digital form of payment, just like Bitcoin that we discussed in our previous lesson. So the cryptocurrency supported by Ethereum blockchain is called Ether. N- Another important point about the Ethereum blockchain is that it facilitates not only a medium of exchanging funds through cryptocurrency or digital payments, but it is also an improved version for the blockchains as it leverages the blockchain technology to create something called as the smart contracts. So as we've discussed already, smart contracts are software codes which are automatically run as per the rules, and they use the blockchain technology to take certain actions and therefore are used to develop decentralized applications. So Ethereum is one of the first blockchains to have enabled the making of these smart contracts. Again, when we say that we deploy these smart contracts, so we need an infrastructure to deploy these smart contracts, since all the blockchains are not inherently have that capacity. So we have something known as the Ethereum virtual machine or the EVM. So that is the underlying technology or the architecture and software which understands the smart contracts which were written in Solidity language for the Ethereum blockchain. And EVM basically allows you to deploy these smart contracts. It provides you the infrastructure and it also provides you the technology to interact with these smart contracts and allows you to make certain decisions based on these smart contracts. Moving on to the next point, which we've already discussed, that since we know that in the blockchain, since it's a decentralized mechanism, so we need some procedures to maintain the integrity of the data. And for that, consensus protocols come into picture. And we know that consensus protocol is the procedure through which all the nodes of the network participate in decision making. And there are competitors, there are validators, and a validator is selected for adding a new block to the blockchain, which is known as the mining. And for that, there are different consensus protocols: proof of work, proof of stake. So we know that Bitcoin works on the proof of work protocol, while Ethereum works on the proof of stake protocol. There is also a concept of transaction fee or gas fee in case of Ethereum blockchain. Gas is nothing but a unit that measures the computational power required to run a smart contract or a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. So now we know that Ethereum facilitates us to build smart contracts, deploy that on the EVM. But all these are counted as new transactions. And we know that in blockchain, since all the data has to be copied in all the nodes, so transaction is a costly affair, and in order to maintain the integrity and everything, there is a fees which is incurred by every transaction, and that fee particularly is known as the gas fee or the transaction fee in case of Ethereum blockchain. So decentralized applications or dApps, they are nothing but they are some applications with front end and back end systems. Front end is made using all the front end technologies which are used for centralized applications as well. But at the back end, you use the smart contracts to leverage the power of the blockchain technology. So Ethereum blockchain allows you to create these kind of decentralized applications by supporting their backend. So this is one of the most important aspect of the Ethereum blockchain. Bitcoin is mostly used as a cryptocurrency blockchain, and it's mostly used for exchange of funds. But when we talk about Ethereum, the main utility of the Ethereum blockchain is not just the cryptocurrency or digital payment, it is this decentralized applications or dApps. Similarly, we have something known as the DAOs, which are the decentralized autonomous organizations. So it's a concept which has been made to which allows you to create democratic decision making. So it was felt that since blockchains, they empower us to make a trustless system where everybody is in charge of their own data. So it was identified that this could be a very good application. DAO, making a DAO means making an organization, and an autonomous organization in which all the members of the DAO play a key role in the decision making, and every member has a say in in the important decisions of the organization, which is related to the Ethereum blockchain. So that's what the concept of DAOs is, and that's supported by the Ethereum blockchain. So these are some of the important key features of the Ethereum blockchain. See you in the next lesson.